everyone, and welcome to my channel Life is Beautiful with me, Valerie. In my previous video, we looked at how to gift wrap our presents and how we can accessorize them with ornaments. So what if we don't want to use accessories to finish off our gifts and just want to stay with the classic method of just putting a bow on it? Today's video is using ribbon of different type, be it satin, tissue, single-sided, double-sided, and using them with varying widths. So let's get started. Here I'm using a double-sided ribbon, so no right side or wrong side. It's about 1.5 inches in width. I'm using my fingers, holding one end of the tail down and going around my fingers 2 times. That's once and twice. Using the end of the tail, I go through the center, in between my fingers, under and over the loops formed on the ribbon. And using the upper tail, I will go on and make a knot with the lower tail. We're making a 2-looped bow with this one. Once the knot is completed, tug down in the downward direction, making the bow nice and tight. Keep adjusting, and once you are happy with what you see, take it off your fingers and complete the bow. Fan out the loops that have been created. Cut the edges off. I just like to make them on inclines and use little heat to seal the ends. This prevents the ribbon from fraying. You can use them plainly on gifts. I have used it to accessorize my Christmas decor. Here I'm using satin ribbon which has a right side which is shiny and a wrong side that is dull. First go ahead and make a knot firmly and hold it down with your finger. Use the lower tail to make your first loop. Using the free-ended tail, go around the loop created. At this stage, give the ribbon a twist and let it go through the opening that is holding the knot in place. It's very important to twist the ribbon at the point where I showed you, because with ribbons that are one-sided, when you complete the bow, you will have half the bow with the shiny side up and half the bow with the dull side up. Once you keep tweaking with the ribbon and you're happy with the outcome, go ahead and cut the edges. I'm using the box as guidelines where to trim the ribbon off, and I'm using heat to seal the edges in so as to avoid the ribbon from fraying. Here I'm using a fine ribbon that's under 0.5 centimeter and is 2-sided. These ribbons get quite tricky to make small bows with. I am going to use a fork to help me make this bow. When you fold the ribbon, see that you have one tail longer than the other. The lower tail needs to be the longer tail. Place the ribbon over the fork as I am showing you and take the lower end or the longer tail of the ribbon and threadle it through the center tine of the fork. And take it from under the ribbon and over the top, again through the center tine of the fork. Complete the bow by making a knot using both tail ends and pull down in the downward direction sharply. And now you can release the ribbon from the fork and you have this very neat looking bow. To finish it off, trim the edges or the tails out, and that's your completed bow. It has a shiny side and a dull side. Now these get a little more tricky when we make the bow because we want all the glossy side to face up. So again, you fold it as such place it on top of your fork. Take the lower tail and treadle it through the center tine. Let it come up. Now, this is where the change happens. Give this a slight twist and hold it down. And as you're bringing the center, the back tail up, you want to twist this also and bring it in. So now you have the dull sides facing you. Go ahead and finish it, making the knot like the previous one. Always pull the tails down. Release it from the fork, and again you get this very pretty looking bow. And with that, we come to an end to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, take very good care of yourselves, and I'll see you very soon. Bye now.